Welcome to Review Digital Products, where we uncover the best products to transform your life. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the Smoothie Diet, the ultimate path to rapid weight loss and a healthier life. The Smoothie Diet is the brainchild of a team of health enthusiasts who have designed this revolutionary 21-day program to help you kickstart your weight loss journey effectively. Countless users have already experienced incredible results with the Smoothie Diet. Sarah happily shared, "I've lost 5 kilograms in just 2 weeks and I feel incredible." While Emily, a busy mom, exclaimed, "I've lost inches off my waistline and my energy has increased." The main selling point of the Smoothie Diet lies in its mouth-watering and nutrient-packed smoothie recipes. Not only are they delicious, but they also keep you full and satisfied, making it easier to resist unhealthy snacking temptations. But that's not all. With a comprehensive 21-day plan, the Smoothie Diet guides you through each step of your weight loss journey. Say goodbye to uncertainty and hello to a clear path towards your goals. No matter how busy your lifestyle is, the Smoothie Diet is designed to fit seamlessly into your routine. Its flexibility makes it ideal for people with limited time, ensuring you won't need to sacrifice your daily activities to achieve your weight loss dreams. You might be wondering, does the Smoothie Diet really work? Well, the proof is in the pudding. Numerous positive reviews and testimonials from satisfied customers prove its effectiveness. As with any program, there's a slight drawback. The Smoothie Diet may not be suitable for everyone due to individual differences. If you have specific dietary restrictions or medical conditions, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting the program. Now, it's time to take control of your health and well-being. Click on the link below to get the Smoothie Diet and embark on your journey towards a healthier and happier version of yourself. Plus, as a special bonus, you'll receive an amazing package of additional resources to support your transformation. Don't hesitate. Step into a new chapter of your life with the Smoothie Diet. Your ultimate path to rapid weight loss and a healthier life awaits. Remember, we're here to answer any questions you may have. Your success is our priority.